Today we're going to be sharing how to make this wood and leather towel ring. This is actually an update of the brass towel ring we made a few years ago. You're going to start with a 5-inch wooden macrame ring, and then I just finished mine with a water-based polyurethane. Then you can just apply and let it dry according to the directions on your polyurethane. Once it's dry, you'll measure out how long you want your leather to be. Mine ended up being about 5.5 inches, but you can kind of mess around with it and see how long you would want it beforehand, just like I'm doing here. And then I used the ruler to mark out that 5.5 inches on the top and the bottom of the leather with pencil. And then you can draw a line to connect it and run your rotary tool over that, or I just used the ruler as a guide. Once it's cut, you're going to want to punch the 3 holes that you're going to need to screw this into the wall. So I started with one and then I used that as a guide to make sure they were all centered on the leather at about the same amount. To attach it to the wall, I held mine right up to it to get the position right, and then I pre-drilled a hole right through the hole, and then I screwed mine into place. Because mine was going into wood, this worked, but if yours is going to be going into drywall, you might need to use a drywall anchor behind it.